My name is Camilo Ernesto Santamaria. I am in from Jesus Maria Santander. I am single. I am 41 years old. I almost always dedicated myself to working on the farm. I am studying at FNAP. I have lived for a long time on the sidewalk of the crystals. Almost always, my free time like to walk, ride horse, and play futsal. My municipality is small. There is very nice park, and from time to time I visit it with the children. There are very good restaurants. It is very nice to see such a small municipality wide four Christian churches and one Catholic church. Our school is very good. There is center recreational Villa Paola. In my municipality there are 12 villages, and our economic is based on coffee, livestock, and transitory crops, and the inhabitants of this beautiful municipality are very hard working and are almost why committed to the protection of our natural resources. There are tourist places such as the Las Golondrinas waterfall, the Alto La Gloria. There are two rivers, white and black. Industrial products are working in an artisanal way, such as milk, derivatives, cheese, corn cookies, cassava empanadas. There is a temperate climate on average. We are 20 degrees. The main activities and celebration of our municipality are the fairs and festival on June 27, 28, 29, with comparsas, activities, participation in the bow dance. Visitors and are the residents of our municipality wise gather as a family to participate in the pot walk and different regional activities such as exploring the great world of regional flora and fauna.